Hello, with Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist, here to share with you the Gartner Business Index data for June 2018. June's reading of 57.5 extends for a fourth consecutive month, a slowing growth rate within the business index. However, this slower growth rate is still higher than the upcycles that we experienced in 2012 and 2014. For a second month in a row, we also saw supplier deliveries and employment components of the index move higher, while at the same time we saw new orders and productions growth slow. Now, this is typical with what we would expect to see in a maturing business cycle. At the same time, when we look at our backlog data, which we see as a harbinger of near-term conditions in manufacturing, we see a very strong backlog level, suggesting that near-term growth will still be very robust. Thank you for your time, and for more information about the Gartner Business Index, please visit our website at gardnerintelligence.com.